name is Josephine, Ministry Officer below Headquarters PNG Forest Authority. On this morning, me like demonstrating how low growing sandalwood seedlings. Okay, me plan got triple something is up here, ground, one time sand, river sand, na coconut ash. Okay, all this triple something all kita. By me apply using long walking this place, cutting block, planting sandalwood. Okay, one time this plan ground is up here. Me apply straighten finish long by put him go inside. Ground me apply kiss him lo busi come, me apply trauma go on top long wire. Now I'll find particles come down long end. By me apply using this mix it one time river sand layer, one pla spade long, fine soil here, one spade. By mixing one time, one plus spade, river sand, this plan river sand, one plus spade, okay, 2 plus spade coconut ash. Me pla using this coconut ash. Got 3 pla walk. One pla, is a olim wara inside long. Naro pla, is the olim wara. By wara you run go down. Now number 3 walk. Is a kilim diol binatang is up inside long ground. So got 3 pla walk. Also na mi pla kisim this pla. Okay. This pla sand. Got 1 pla walk. No nap olim wara inside long pot mix here. Time mi pla giving wara and by round you say go down and go out. Now mi pla you say ground. And by you got nutrient long sandalwood by kisim na grow good. Got all nutrient. Also na mi pla using ground, sand na coconut ash. Okay. After long triple all mix. By me pla mixing good. Ground, 1 plus spade. Okay, sand 1 plus spade. Na coconut ash can 2 pla spade. Now by me pla mixing good na. This la mix. I must not can heavy too much. Can heavy. Suppose ground is sandy too much na in nona plo holim wara, you can add him 2 pla spade ground. That's all one time this pla demo now. Me pla use 1 pla spade that's all because ground blown play heavy na. Me pla use 1 pla. This la mix now, but I'm putting go inside law. All pots now put him planting sandalwood inside. Okay, lo me pla working this pla fine coconut ash using grater. Grater me pla yet you work him one time nail. Me pla put him nail go inside long kapana. Lo opposite side blame where nail come out long and it got little all. So me pla using this pla lo stick up him all coconut ash. All coconut ash, me pla kiss all pla coconut ash because all by brook ECC go fine particles. Okay, now me like come out him seedling law germination train, I put him go inside law all polytubes. Putting mix them ready finish. How lo come out him big seedling come out. But you careful through, no good to disturb him roots blame na brook him. From my stick go inside by supporting block come out the roots blame. And now next one. Okay, I'm ready now lo. Putting go inside lo tubes. This I'm putting mix. Ready finish long and me pla put mapping go halfway. Me pla make him awesome long. No good by roots. The bend inside lo tube. Okay, make this little stick long. Put them little hole inside. lo put him roots, he go straight down. This the roots blame me pla, like disturb him na by kubut. So me put him only manta percenta store. Now by making him mix, put it go inside. So now roots blaming or disturb inside. Roots is really good na, you want me sana boat.